Welcome to this essential guide on using OneDrive correctly for your business files. We'll cover practical steps to ensure your data is stored, synced, and shared correctly, helping you avoid common issues and maintain productivity. This self-help resource offers solutions you can try before needing to contact IT support. Understanding why proper OneDrive usage is crucial helps prevent significant issues. By adopting a few simple habits, you can avoid common problems like lost files, relying solely on local storage, and insecure sharing practices. These proactive steps are designed to empower you to manage your files efficiently and securely, often resolving concerns before a support ticket is even necessary. To ensure your files are managed properly, begin by confirming you're signed into OneDrive with your work account, looking for the blue cloud icon. Next, verify your sync status to ensure files are up to date. Always save your work files in your designated OneDrive or SharePoint Teams folders, not on your desktop or downloads. Familiarize yourself with sync icons to understand file status, and remember to share links instead of large attachments. When sharing, use the Share menu to select the appropriate permission level. For sensitive documents, always use the Specific People option when sharing, rather than anyone with the link. Set files to view only if the recipient doesn't need editing access. It's crucial to ensure files have finished syncing before shutting down your computer or disconnecting from the internet to prevent data loss. If you accidentally delete a file, you can often restore it from the OneDrive recycle bin. Utilize version history to revert to previous file versions if mistakes are made. Finally, if you encounter persistent sign-in issues, sync problems, or regex errors, it's time to contact support. Remember that OneDrive is not a full backup solution. It primarily protects against local file loss. Avoid saving important business files only in your downloads or desktop folders, as these are not reliably synced. Always prefer sharing links with specific people for sensitive information. Watch for regex errors, which indicate a file is failing to sync and requires your attention. If OneDrive flags conflicting copies, always resolve them by picking the correct version. When unsure about file location or moving shared folders, consult with IT support before duplicating files. Thank you for reviewing these essential steps for using OneDrive. We hope this guide helps you keep your business files safe, synced, and shared correctly. For any questions, please contact your IT support team.